What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to go over the 3 fund portfolio that you want to make sure that you have intact on your investment journey, okay? It's going to be a jam-packed video, so please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, take a quick look at this. And I want you guys to use me as an example of how you properly dollar cost average on a daily basis. Okay, now listen, write this down. Always be buying. Always be buying. That is the one way to ensure that you're building wealth, because I do this every single day. And now, guys, on your journey, okay, write this down. Make a note of this for me. You can't buy every day, but maybe you can buy every week. Maybe you can buy every 2 weeks. Maybe you can buy once a month. Whatever is feasible for you is what I want you to adapt, okay? Now check this out, guys. Every single day, what I'm trying to do to ensure that I'm not wasting money on frivolous things, irrelevant things, things to impress people that don't care anything about me, I'm making sure I'm always building out my kingdom, okay? And every single day, as you see here, March 22nd, March 21st, March 20th, March 19th, March 18th, March 15th, March 14th, March 13th, and we can go on and on, guys, because this is a practice. This is a habit. This is routine. This is how I built my wealth. This is how I get off the corporate plantation. This is how I retire young, okay? There's going to be a lot of people that come into this game that just say stuff, but very few that can show you how they did it, why they did it, and then have the results to give you the fruits of, again, living and leading that life, okay? With that being said, guys, please always be buying. The one thing I want you guys to take away, what I'm about to show you next, is the fact that you can change your trajectory. You can cut years off your working life, okay? You can cut years out of doing and being at a dead-end job that you don't like. Even if you like your job, you can have the option for yourself to get off the corporate plantation whenever you choose to, because of how you choose to go about and manage your money, okay? With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and unpack these particular stocks that I want you to, again, make sure whether you got a small portfolio like the one I'm going to show you here, or whether you got a massive portfolio, this is what I want you guys to be doing. SCHD, this is a particular stock. I do this for all of my dividend plays, guys. I am a buy and hold investor that trades on the side. Write this down. Coach is a buy and hold long-term investor, but because he's built his wealth across all his portfolios, with nothing else to do in the market, he trades and makes money on the side that he then repurposes back into these plays throughout my various accounts, okay? SCHD is on this one, guys. Check this up. On the week, it was up 0.8%. On the month, it's up nearly 2%. Over 3 months, it's up 4.6%, and year to date we're up 4% as well. Let's go ahead and look at this, guys. I got an upcoming dividend in this particular portfolio of $196.99. This one will be coming. It says it's pending, guys, so it's coming March 25th, okay? Check this out. 324 shares with an average cost of $69.66, okay? Again, currently as we sit, I'm down $145 on the day, okay, but I'm up 14% overall in this particular play. Now imagine this when you have 100K being up 14%. Imagine this with 1 million being up 14%. Imagine this with 10 million being up 14%. This is the power of this, guys. I just want to show you that on a small level, this is something you can do as well. This is not out of the reach for you guys to, again, to acquire assets that could. I always talk about my dividend portfolio like tenants. It's like being a real estate person that has all these properties. These are just properties, and I'm just getting a payout. I'm just collecting nearly $200 every 3 months from this small account, but these are much bigger positions in my other accounts. Okay, check this out, guys. Same thing that I showed you here applies to this right here. This one is VTI. In building your portfolio, this is the foundational piece of your portfolio. Okay, this is the total stock market ETF. This one is sitting at $258 on the week. It was up nearly 2%. On the month, it is up 2%. Out 3 months, up 9%. Look at this parabolic move. And if you've been with me, guys, we've been in this since 180, 170 to this level. Okay, and then year to date, this is up nearly 10%. Okay, again, guys, across the board, just trying to show you what you want to be investing in, how you should be investing, but more importantly, the strategic way in which to go about it. Okay, dollar cost average. You can do this. Write this down. Sometimes I invest in quarters, so I might say, you know what, for January, February, and March, I am going to invest in SCHD every day. But in April, May, and June, I am going to repurpose and reallocate those funds to VTI every day. Okay. And then for June, July, and August, I may look at my next particular stock I'm going to show you in momentarily. And just to keep myself fresh, just to keep myself interested, sometimes instead of doing it every quarter, I might say this month in January, I'm doing SCHD. This month in February, I'm doing VTI. And then last but not least, I'll do VUG. And that leads me to my next one as part of your 3-fund portfolio, guys. VUG, this is the growth ETF. This is another way for you guys to safely play AI. This is a way for you to play the tech space. This is a way for you to play the growth plays in the market. Okay, check this out. Over the past week, they're up 2%. Over the past month, they're up a little over 1.5%. If we go out 3 months, this is up 11, almost 11.5%. And year to date, this is up 12%. Just this alone, just everything I have shown you guys, but just this alone beats your everyday Wall Street analysts, the people that's on CNBC. They're only getting 6 to 7% a year. You get you VUG, that alone will beat what they do, or the experts so-called on Wall Street. Okay, again, guys, but the name of the game is to always be buying low, buying when these were down in the dumps in 2022 and 2021. So therefore, you reap this type of benefit. These are the things you want to do to expedite that process of leaving the corporate plantation. Okay, listen, guys, let me know if you have a 3-fund portfolio. Let me know what stocks you hold in yours. Let me know what ETFs you hold in yours, and then let me know what you think about this one. Okay, listen, man, I've been doing this a long time. Other ones that I like is VYM. If you guys want to know, Coach, what's some other alternatives we can add to this? I like VYM. I'm never opposed to VOO if you want to swap that for VTI. Okay, you have VIG if you guys didn't want to go with VUG. Okay, and these are very similar to what you guys may be more familiar with, which is the QQQ when we talk about the tech and some of the growth ETFs. Okay, but nevertheless, guys, this is all you need. I see a lot of people trying to get cute in the market, and a lot of times when I'm talking to people and they're telling me the different portfolios that they have, and I'm hearing, Coach, I got 25 stocks, I got 60 stocks. I'm like, you might as well have an ETF. Like, that 65 individual stocks is way too much to manage and keep up with when you can just own the best of the best, which is what I give you and provide you and display to you guys. Okay. However, I oftentimes see us spreading ourselves thin, and when you spread yourself thin, as really essentially you're spreading your money thin. You don't have enough money to get $100,000 into every one of these, or in my small accounts, 25K into every one of these. Okay, and so when you have a more centered and centralized focus, then guys, you can see the fruit of your labor. You can see a 14% return, and you can see your portfolio jumping up $2,000. And then you can begin to imagine, okay, what if I had 50,000? What if I had 100,000 and I'm up 14+%, or I'm up 12% in VUG just on the year to date alone. Okay, this is how you guys want to be thinking. But the takeaway from today's video is to always be buying. If you don't take anything away from me, Coach is one of the best traders in the world, but he gives his money a purpose by, after he wins, after each win, we repurpose and reallocate the money back into our 3-fund portfolio, back into our dividend plays, to ensure we don't give the money back to Wall Street. If that sounds like a trading philosophy you like, that you can get down with, please make sure you like and subscribe. Please let me know what you think about it. But listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my links below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.